Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3. My name is Kevin Aryadandi and my friend name is Zaki Yusuf Ajindra, Muhammad Farhad Mirwansyah, Hafiz Umar Haq, and Maulana Faiz. Understanding. Linked list is a data structure consisting of a number of elements that connect to each other through nodes. Each node in a linked list is contained to main piece of information, data that store the value of information you want to store, and a pointer that point to the next node in the sequence. Using the pointer, each node in the linked list is connected to the next node from a chain. I will explain to you about a single linked list. One direction linked list, single linked list, is a type of linked list. Each node has a pointer that points to the next node in sequence. The last node in linked list has a pointer to pointing null, signaling the end of linked list. So in the picture, there is a picture of square that called a node. There is two squares. On the left side is used to a place to store data, to place the data, and for the square on the right is used as a next pointer or as an address to connect to the next node. Where in the last node, where the no more nodes target by the pointer next, then it is called null because he no longer has a target to address, then he called null or empty.
Okay, I will explain about coding a single linked list. First, we use a node, then we enter data in that node. And this node pointer is to show the next node. And the head pointer node is the first node. While the null head is for initialization or to indicate that the pointer does not point to any memory address. It could be said to be used to mark the end. And void is a function create a new node to input data. Create another new node to add the word next so you can continue to the next node. While void display all elements. And the node pointer temp head to point to the head node of the linked list, while temp null points to a valid node in the linked list. Cout temp data to display the data value of the node. Temp next to point to the next node, and cout null displays to point to the end of the linked list. And in mind is the data that will be on that node starting from 1, 2, and 3. Maybe that's all I can explain. Sorry if there are any shortcomings.
Okay, next, single linked list circular. A circular single linked list is a single linked list whose next pointer points to itself. If the single linked list has several nodes, then the next pointer on the last node will be shown on the nodes the forefront. The definition itself consists of two words, namely single, which means there is only one field pointer in one direction, and circular, which means the next pointer will point to itself, so it rotates. The difference between a circular single linked list and single linked list is that a circular single linked list is a linked list where the tail points to the head, so no pointer points to null. Meanwhile, a single linked list is a linked list that only has one pointer variable, where the pointer points to the next node. Usually, the field in the next point to null.
Next will be I briefly present the double linked list. In double linked list, each node contains two pointers, the next pointer and previous pointer. The structure allows traversal in both forward and backward direction, enabling us to move to the next and previous node efficiently. So you can move the next node or return to the previous node more easily.
Okay, next explanation of the C code for inserting an element into a doubling list. This code defines the node structure that represents each element in the doubling list. Each node has three members. The first in data for stores the integer value associated with the node, and second struct node next for a pointer that points to the next node in the list, and third struct node prev for a pointer that points to the previous node in the list. This allows for traversal of the doubling list in both directions. Post function explanation. Memory allocation is in the 7th row. This line allocates memory for the new node using the malloc function. Casting to struct node ensure the allocated memory is interpreted as struct node. Error handling by the code checks if malloc return null, indicating a memory allocation failure. If so, an error message is printed and the function exits using return. Seek data is in the 11th row. This line seek the new data value to the data member of the newly allocated node. Set next pointer is in the 13th row. This line sets the next pointer of the new node to point to the current head of the doubling list. Next, set prev pointer. Since the new node is being inserted at the beginning, its prev pointer should be set to null because it becomes the new head. Update previous pointer if needed. On the 16 and 17 lines, this conditional statement checks if the list is not empty, that is, the current head ref is not null. If it's not empty, the prev pointer of the current head is updated to point to the newly inserted node, maintaining two-way link. Update head pointer, head ref together with node. Finally, the head ref pointer itself is updated to point to the newly inserted node, making it the new head of the doubling list. Overall, the post function efficiently insert a new node with the given new data at the beginning of the doubling list, updating the pointer to maintain the correct structure. Next, conclusion. Linked list is a data structure consisting of nodes that are connected to each other. Each node stores data and reference to the next node in the list. The advantage of linked lists is their ability to expand or reduce the size of the list easily without requiring a large initial memory allocated. However, linked lists also have the weakness of random access to data element because they have to go through each node from the beginning of the list. Additionally, it uses more memory compared to array because each node requires additional memory allocating for pointer. Thank you for attention. Billahi fisabilillah, fastabiqul khairat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.